Hey, it's Suzy and Dan from Dusty Trails RVing, and we are at Pine Lake RV Campground. We're about 60 miles east of Atlanta. We're heading north in Georgia, and this is just a quick little layover for us, and we're going to show you some fun drone footage on this trip and how we did it. And also, it's a great little stop, so if you're in the area, I definitely recommend checking it out. And here we are actually coming into the campground as we just found it coming off the highway. So we are at our overnight stop, Pine Lake Campground in Bishop, Georgia. And it looks really awesome, but we found an even more awesome spot. And yes, we are those people that will ask if we can switch spots. And they were super nice here to let us do it. And so now we're about to move into this really cute spot. Wait till you see it. Okay, here we are moving into our cute, super cute spot right on this little lake here. And we still won't have to unhook. So, yeah. And this is the campground. It's just fun to walk around and explore, and they have little cottages for rent as well. And who doesn't love a great game of Connect 4 by the fire? All right, well, I am going to be driving as we try for some really fun camera shots. So this will be a lot of fun. Because you know how much I love to drive this thing. Well, actually, I've never really talked about it, but I have no desire to drive this. And yeah, that's kind of like our trade-off. Like, I just don't want to drive. If I had to drive, I could drive, but I just really don't want to. So, yeah. Let me know when you're ready. And this is seriously, I think, the third time I've ever driven it. And we're just going around the loop. Well, it's kind of a scary loop. But we're in four-wheel drive, so I think I'll be okay. As long as the golf cart guy doesn't get in my way.
Yeah, when you pull out, stay a little bit to your left there, because you're kind of close to the fence on the passenger side.
Okay, I got Mr. Golf Cart Man over here. Alright, well, guide me out then.
Okay.
Ready for me to keep going?
Okay, go ahead and start going up the hill, and then make a right, and go slow across that way.
The problem is I really can't see over the dashboard of the stupid SUV. There's a golf cart up here. I'm hoping I don't hit it. Okay, I think I cleared it. I don't know though.
This stupid guy came here. Hold on a second. Where are you?
I just rounded the corner, about ready to go over the bridge. I cleared everything.
Why don't I see you?
Because I'm not on the bridge yet. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
So you went up the hill and turned right?
Everything.
You should have went that way.
Oh, we're just doing a little video.
Oh.
We're coming back around, and then we're going to go up that way.
Yeah, go, make sure you go that way. Don't go left.
No, we won't. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much. No, the guy's just making sure we know what we're doing. Are you there? I was talking to the guy. He's like, you went the wrong way. I said, no, we're just making a video.
All right, go ahead and come all the way around.
This little road looks really narrow and very scary for me.
You're good.
Yep, that's me driving and Dan is flying. That's the trick. That's the secret. you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel so you can follow along where we go next, which is Vogel State Park. Thank you for watching. Happy camping and safe travels.